A big round of applause for the students of EMRS Khumlung. Oh Ma Durga, please grant me glory. Oh Ma Durga, please grant me beauty. Oh Ma Durga, please grant me victory. Please destroy my inner enemies. This will be followed by a dance performance by the students of EMRS Khumlung.
Belai naithotok masabung khumulung Ekkalabya Model Residential School ni rung nokni serairok tirini o pandano lamsoki masawi funuka belai kedo hambai tabuk ne bechebu lamsok mungkok naraknani bagi koboknai Travel Welfare Department ni tangphang okra aba Secretary Boramgrang Muchang Dr. K. Sasi Kumar Sadno. Please, sir.
Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Saha sir, today's inaugurator of the program and the chief guest of the program, and the guest of honor, Shri Bikas Debarma sir, Honorable Minister, Tribal Welfare Department, special guests, Shri Manab Debarma, Honorable MLA, Dr. Siddharth, DM, Sefai Jala, Shri Shubhasis Das, Director, Tribal Welfare, Mr. Namit, SP West, and the President of the program, Shri Birendra Kishore Debarma, Honorable BSc Chairperson, Jampu Jala RD Block, SDM Jampu Jala, distinguished dignitaries, the principals from all the schools, respected officers, teachers, students, and all those who are present here. A very good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you to this momentous occasion, the inauguration of the Ekkalabya Model Residential School, Jampu Jala. Today marks a proud and historic step in our continuous efforts to empower the tribal communities of Tripura through quality education. The Ekkalabya Model Residential Schools, shortly we call EMRS, are one of the flagship initiatives of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, aimed at providing free, quality and residential education to the scheduled tribe students from class 6 to class 12. EMRS Jampu Jala has now been established over an area of 15.2 acres with a project cost of about 29 crore rupees. The construction executed by Tripura Housing and Construction Board includes a fully equipped, a beautiful academic block, separate hostels for boys and girls, kitchen dining units, principal's quarter, staff quarters, warden residence, and all other necessary utilities, including sports utilities. The project was completed last month, and this school has the capacity to accommodate 480 students, 240 boys and 240 girls, and provides complete residential facilities, including boarding, uniforms, textbooks, bedding material, and sports equipment. A total of 28 staff members have already been appointed by NEST, Government of India, and 60 students have already been admitted to start this new academic journey. The EMRS model follows the standards of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, ensuring holistic education that not only focuses on academics, but also nurtures talent in sports, culture, and skill development. Tripura now has 21 EMRS schools sanctioned across the state, 11 of them have already started functioning, including Jampujala today, while others are under various stages of completion. Once all the 21 EMRS schools sanctioned for the state are made operational, they will collectively serve more than 10,000 tribal students, symbolizing our commitment to inclusive and equitable education. I would like to take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura for his visionary leadership and constant encouragement in expanding educational infrastructure for our tribal communities. I also sincerely thank the Honorable Minister for Tribal Welfare for his guidance and support in realizing this initiative. I extend a heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries, officials, community members, and to our young students present here today. Let this EMRS Jampujala become not just a center of learning, but a hub of opportunity, inspiration, and cultural pride for generations to come. Thank you.
Belai belai keno hambai, belai no nangkuk mani koklam, lamsok mung koklamo yafarka. Travel Welfare Department ni Secretary Ebatang Fang Okra, Boram Gedang Muchang, Dr. K. Susikumar, Sir no belai belai keno hambai. Tabuk ni bejebu, hai no hai koklam yafarnari bagi koboknai, tini ni pandani narwai motom, tini hastini tangnok kotorni adong eba MLA, Boram Gedang Muchang, Manop Depurma, Sir no. Please, sir.
Jatana khulumka tini o am chai area ne bagai tongthongmani sal oro 480 Sydney ekta ekolobo school sengmani sal angplana hambadenai tini o ekolobo modern residential school ni je inauguration je khaijakmani inaugurator tai chief guest sini chief minister Boronganang Professor Dr. Manik Saha bono pipeline maro tai phaimanjaka guest of honor Boronganang Vikas Debroma Tribal Welfare Montri tai phaimanjaka Dr. K. Susikumar, IAS, Secretary, Tribal Welfare, Tai Dr. Siddharth Sid Jaswal, IAS, DM and Collector Sipaijola, Tai Paimandaka, Shri Subhasis Das, TCS, Director, Tribal Welfare, Tai O Tini Pandani Asukpang, BSC Chairman, Bonogram Pirandro Kishu Diploma, Tai Jampujala South Division ni SDM, Tai O Ekolobe School ni Principal, Tai teachers, Tai students, Tai am tini jot to lukurong nani kakaham yaparo, tini belake katong dongmani sal o am tini borok ni, tini ekta school, o jaga tini simi cengka. Ke belai ke tong thongmani kalayo amche ni borok ni sengagi o kamang ma amche thange o Jampujala block ni bisingo tongnai jara guardians norok kangma jaga o thange ni nisai rong ma poiru tini o jaga gabodiok schoolung kham Jampujala block ni bisingo je tongnai orani je poribar tongnai dok norok o amche no poriri mangkha kabang ma hachalo sengnuga gi kabang ma ambasa kabang ma yang South digi tai gana khumulung rogo sini chai no ma poidu ka omai keno tini teruk ke luku hamkarani bagai kemang develop engai tong o develop unayang mane ekta no tini nisal tini ekolobe school oro clock jang mani katal ke o am chayo jotono saimano je school clock jang mani jaga bahai tong mani bolong khai kuno jaga bolong engai jaga haino magna kai tong mani o jaga tabuk je building ti sawai je naisuk tok khai je khai mani abo kintu kom kogya kintu abo kabangma salogonugo omahai development kuno kurei tabuk jebabe development lukurong bai khai tong mani abona kaisa tini model school oro katal khulok mani engkau jagawo belai kho amtani borok belai ka tong thokjak amtani borok tini school khulonga bagai engka jara student tongai rok orok to jara katal student bisas kai tini ekolobe school khumrung ni sokpaika engka jara oro porei tongnai jara katal taglai puila porei tongnai nongna kokasa namusung lekha pora porei mani kaham kama porei nai nongni